Excellent. So I'm going to do a list. I'm going to create a list of these 25 wells. In this case, this is the list of well names field. And if we check it for this, we're going to see 25 elements. Okay, excellent. So now we're going to start using the DCA API. In this case, we are going to feed a DCA input to the function. This is going to be a title, a markdown. There you go, another section. And we previously we instantiate the data source, the data source class in the Alanapy script. We are going to use another module of that function, of that script. In this case, I'm going to instantiate the DCA module that is contained in the Alanapy API version 2 script that we previously talked about. And I'm going to call it my API underscore DCA. Okay, I'm going to run this. There you go. And let's check for these for the functions that are stored in this class. Let's remember that, for example, here we have create DCA master, we have DCA master cases, and so on and so forth. I'm going to use the run DCA, and let's check for the information stored in that function. In this case, the function that creates a DCA master and then the cases for multiple wells. And we have the string, the list of wells, the date of primary forecast, the ARPS type that we're going to use, the start date of production, the type of or the frequency of data usage in this DCA case. In this case, either is monthly or daily. And you can keep going through the functions and kind of going with the doc strings containing those functions. Okay, in this case, I'm going to use only. I'm going to, for the sake of this, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to delete this, and if we run this, I'm going to create a list with the properties of the DCA that I want. In this case, for this well, the start date of production will be this next month, and the ARPS type will be hyperbolical, and so on with all the wells. Just to keep automating things, and you guys can see the power of this too. Okay, so these are all the wells that are going to be automated. The DCA will be automated, and these are going to be the data that I'm going to feed the run DCA function. I'm going to create. Let's remember that the run DCA gets a dictionary. In this case, the dictionary DCA master will have live session, the name, or the scenario name will be live session DCA underscore Vaca Muerta formation. The list well names will be the 25 wells that I previously provided. The date primary forecast will be a list of all the 20 of next month and so on. Okay, excellent. If I run it, this is stored on memory, and I'm going to go on and run the DCA with this dictionary. Okay. If we run it, there you go. We have the flag of the DCA master. The status it's created, and we let the server do its work, and we can check for in this case, for this scenario. If we go into the front end of Alana, we will be able to see here. We're going to be able to see here live session DCA Vaca Muerta. If we go here into this scenario, and we select wells with DCA. Well, fortunately, the server is quite fast, and we have now several wells with the automated DCA process that we previously done. And for example, here we can check this, and this is the automated DCA that the server did to this well. This is like the details or the technical details will be added to this automated DCA. We can, as Alejandro previously shown, we can detail this DCA much further. But I mean, for the sake of the exercise, this is the power of this tool, of this function. And if we go back into our Jupyter lab, we're going to see that the total analyzed wells were 25. The wells with DCA are these wells, this list, and it gives you as well, this function gives you if there's issues with some wells. Maybe the production date is wrong, maybe the well doesn't have production, maybe so on and so forth. But fortunately, these wells with issues, it's an empty list. And fortunately, if we go into the front end and check for the 25 wells, we're going to see an automated DCA there. In this case, as you can see, it took for the kernel, for Jupyter, for Python, it took almost a minute to get a post or get the API to do something in the server and get a response back. So I think you guys can see the powerful tool that I've presented in this session, and that we can keep adding. We can. I remember that it took 4 minutes to do 100 well automated DCA, and then we go into detail to each well and analyze it further. So I think that would be everything from my side. If there's any questions, any suggestions, I think that we